Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about what transportation will be like in 2050. As you know, the world is changing rapidly. We are seeing new technologies emerge all the time, and these technologies are having a profound impact on the way we live and work. Transportation is no exception. The way we travel is changing, and it is changing rapidly. In this video, I will take a look at some of the trends that are shaping the future of transportation and give you my predictions on what transportation will be like in 2050. The rise of electric vehicles. One of the most obvious trends in transportation is the rise of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are becoming more popular, and for good reason. They are cleaner, quieter, and more efficient than gasoline vehicles. By 2050, I believe that electric vehicles will be the norm. They will be cheaper, more powerful, and have a greater range. They will also be more integrated with the grid, allowing them to be used as a form of energy storage. The growth of autonomous vehicles. Another important trend in transportation is the growth of autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are vehicles that can drive themselves, without human intervention. There are a number of advantages to autonomous vehicles. They are safer than human-driven vehicles, can reduce traffic congestion, and can make transportation more accessible for people with disabilities. By 2050, I believe that autonomous vehicles will be common. They will be used for everything from personal transportation to public transportation. The development of hyperloop. Hyperloop is a new form of transportation that is still in development. Hyperloop vehicles travel through a tube at speeds of up to 760 miles per hour. Hyperloop has the potential to revolutionize transportation. It is faster, cleaner, and more efficient than traditional forms of transportation. I believe that Hyperloop will be an important part of the transportation landscape in 2050. It will be used to connect cities that are currently separated by long distances. The emergence of new forms of transportation. In addition to these main trends, other new forms of transportation are emerging. These include flying cars, drone taxis, and personal jetpacks. These new forms of transportation are still in the early stages of development but have the potential to change the way we travel. They could make transportation more convenient, more efficient, and more fun. So what does the future of transportation look like? It's hard to say for sure, but I believe it will be a combination of the trends I've discussed. We'll see more electric vehicles, more autonomous vehicles, and more new forms of transportation. Transportation will be cleaner, safer, and more efficient than it is today. It will also be more convenient and more accessible for everyone. Thank you for watching.